Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll show you how to upgrade the memory in an iMac G3. First things first, we need to go over what RAM and how much is supported by our iMac. The easiest way we can do this is by identifying what model of iMac we have. If your iMac has a tray loading CD-ROM drive, this is not the video for you. However, if your iMac has a slot loading CD or DVD-ROM drive, this is the correct video. The slot loading iMacs support up to 1 gig of PC100 168-pin SD RAM. An easy way of making sure we have the correct RAM is by looking at the memory DIMM. If the DIMM has 2 notches, it will generally be Mac compatible. We want to start by powering down the iMac. Now unplug anything currently plugged in. And of course the power cable. Carefully flip the iMac onto its screen. I recommend using a thick rubber mat or a blanket or towel for this, as you don't want to damage the CRT. Using a coin or flathead screwdriver, we want to open this panel to reveal the memory slots. Open the memory ejectors on both sides. Now line up your new memory module like this. Make sure you line it up the correct way, or you could end up damaging the pins on the DIMM or the slot. Push the module in and make sure the 2 ejectors have clipped into the module and are holding it in place. Now close the panel and switch the lock to its locked position. You can now put the iMac the right way up. Plug in the power cable and the keyboard into near the cables. You can now turn on your iMac and continue using it. Please go follow me on Instagram at TechWithSully for news on what I purchase and information about upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like button and get subscribed to keep up to date with all of my content.